This is the footage of this webcam, and as you guys can see, the quality is really good. The details are sharp and crisp, and the color is pretty accurate, I would say. And currently it is 1080p 60 fps, so it's really smooth. It doesn't look like 30, it feels proper 60. I will compare with 30 fps also in the video. And now the lighting in my room is pretty decent, I would say. I have one light turned on in my ceiling, it's a tray light, and other lights are turned off. And I have one more light in front of my face, it's a desk light. I will show you a video from my phone. It's a tray light and other lights are turned off. And I have one more light in front of my face, it's a desk light. I will show you a video from my phone. Now I have every light in my room turned on, and yes, the quality is a little bit better but almost same, and the smoothness is also almost same. Maybe it's a little bit smoother but almost same, and it feels too bright for me. And as you can see, my hair looks funny, you can see all the frizz. Yeah, overall really good, I would say, but I prefer that way better. Now I have switched off the light in front of my face. I still have the ceiling lights on. The quality is still pretty great. Smoothness is almost same. So if you hate the light in front of your face, like yeah, it hurts the eyes after long sessions, you can skip it. The quality is still pretty great. So this is proper low light condition here. I only have my tray light turned on. I do have two monitors in front of my face, one in here this direction and other one this direction. So you can see this part of my face is brighter than this side because of the monitor, but still the brightness is really low, so it is not doing that much. You can consider this as low light condition. I would still say the quality is really great. My face is of course very distinct and details are good. So if you want to do late night streams with minimal lighting in your room, you can do it. It's the quality is great. You can take a quick glance at every lighting conditions in 1080p 60 fps. This is 4K 30 fps. To be honest, I don't see much difference in the detail and sharpness. Maybe it's because my monitor is 1440p and I'm recording this in OBS, but I can definitely see that it's 30 fps. It is not 60, it is not that smooth, but yeah, the quality is great as the previous one also. So you can do 4K streaming with this one. Again, this is 4K 30 fps, but with every light in my room switched on, including the one in front of my face. Again, I don't see much of a difference here, but yes, the smoothness is low. Yeah, decent quality, I would say. Now I have turned off the light in front of my face and it's 4K 30 fps. Great quality. This is 4K resolution, 4K 30 fps in low light condition. I would say it's almost same as the 1080p one, but the smoothness is of course low. Yeah, it is doable. You can stream like this if you want to. It's 4K 30 fps at different lighting conditions. We can also zoom manually from the webcam. There are two places where you have to just touch, and on the right side it's zoom and on the left it is exposure, but the exposure was not working on the Windows camera app, so maybe it was some software bug or I don't know, but at least the zoom is working and it's a nice feature to have. Now you can see the difference between 1080p 60 and 4K 30 fps side by side, and it is definitely noticeable that the 1080p one is smoother, and also the 4K does seem a little bit sharper, but I don't see a big difference here. So I would recommend you that you use the 1080p 60 setting. Maybe you will be able to see the difference in a 4K display or something, but I didn't see. So thank you for watching the video. This was my whole review of this webcam. I hope you liked the video. So thank you for watching till the end.